Hey Sunny fam, what's up? Welcome back. It's your Sunny trainer Sydney, and today I have a quick 5-minute core workout for you guys. This would be a great workout to add on at the end of your workout, or if you're just feeling like a little workout for the day, this would be a good one for you. All right, we're gonna do 30 seconds of exercises to 15 seconds off, and all of these exercises are designed for beginners, but I will be providing modifications along the way if that's necessary for you. All right, so we're gonna head on down to our mat. We'll get started with our first exercise. Nice deep breath. Get mentally prepared. All right, we're gonna get started with mountain climbers in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. 30 seconds on the clock, and we're gonna take these nice and slow. All right, nice and low impact. Let's protect those joints. And we are pushing that knee to the opposite elbow. If you can't quite reach, that's okay, just go as far as you can. If this is too challenging for you at any point, just hold a regular plank position. Almost there. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, awesome job. We have 15 seconds of rest. We're gonna head on down to our back for our next exercise. We have crunches. Coming right up. In 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Your feet should be planted firmly on the ground. Nice deep breaths. And notice, I'm not using my hands to move my head. We're focused on engaging that core, bringing those shoulders off the ground. All right, if those hands are jerking on your head, you're not really doing any work. Great job. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great job, you guys. 2 exercises down. We have 6 to go. Get excited. All right, our next exercise is hip dips. So we're gonna come into that low plank position. We're gonna be dipping it from side to side. If this is too challenging for you, just remember you can hold your plank right here. All right, you can always do something. So rather than stopping your workout, find a way to keep working out. Find an exercise that you can do, right? Three, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome job, guys. All right, we're gonna be back on our backs for our next exercise. We've got some leg lifts. Ready, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 30 seconds. Nice and easy. Let's try to keep those legs fully extended, nice and straight. You can put your hands under your butt or out to your sides for support if that helps you. Almost there. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. Woo! All right, you guys, we're halfway done. Awesome work. Our next exercise is penguins, so we're gonna be right on our backs. Heels kind of out to our sides here. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. We're gonna reach for those heels with our hands. All right, so we're engaging our core, coming up into that crunch position, tapping those heels from there. This should feel really tough after those crunches. Almost there. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, we're gonna stay down on our backs. Next up, we've got some bicycles. So we're gonna be reaching our knee to the opposite elbow. Go ahead and lay on nice and flat. Hands behind your head. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's bring that right elbow up to your left knee and switch to the other side. Great work. Already halfway there. Keep it moving. Breathe it out. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a nice rest. Great work, you guys. Coming up, we have ab tucks. All right, we're on our last 2 exercises, so stay strong. We are almost through. Let's put the good work in. We're gonna come up on our elbows, tuck those legs in and out. Ready? Let's go. All right, so legs come out, extended straight in front of you. Nice and controlled. Control that movement. Tuck those knees all the way to your chest. 5 more seconds. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome job. All right, we only have 1 more exercise, so let's come on up. We are going to be doing a plank for our last 30 seconds. I know they are not everyone's favorite, but they're so good for you, so let's finish off strong. 30 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Hold that plank position nice and steady. If a plank like this is too tough for you, feel free to just come up on those hands and hold it here, okay? A high plank is a little bit easier. 10 more seconds. Keep holding it. We're almost there. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, great job, you guys. We made it through 5 minutes of core. You guys did such an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you guys next time.